Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G13, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, obviously we want to open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, and then Erase All Data Factory Reset. Confirm this here. If you have a screen lock, you will need to confirm it, and then select Erase All Data once more. This will now begin resetting the device. It might take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it is, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.